We make components that are self-lubricating. About a good slug of our product line is just that. Self-lubricating is achieved by means of inserting graphite plugs in a standard component. Now, graphite's kind of an unusual substance. It's ordinary carbon, but it is in the form of a two-dimensional crystal. Now, you see a piece of graphite, and what it is a stack-up of these crystal sheets. They're slippery as hell. When a graphited plug component slides against its mating part, a small amount of these graphite sheets gets stripped off. And they act as kind of micro ball bearings and provide solid lubricant. Now, graphite is pretty stable, so the lubricant is pretty much there forever. It's permanent. Just about every part we make has both a self-lubricating and a conventional lubricating version of it. Some applications require conventionally lubricated parts, and we can satisfy that.